what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I've been MIA. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm trying to be more consistent and post, but I'm gonna be honest, your girl hate editing. I have so many different vlogs and content that I have just in my phone first, and then two, yeah, I have ADHD. I've been recently diagnosed about a month ago, which that's a whole nother vlog. I'm now taking my medication, so maybe that'll help me be a bit more focused, disciplined, and able to complete some stuff. Okay, I actually have content for in my phone also. So today I am going to bleach my hair. As you see, I cut my hair back off. I gotta update y'all. Okay, I ain't been on hair for a while, so I cut my hair back off a few days ago, and I don't know, I feel like I think I'm such a minimal girl, more minimal, and the hair was getting on my nerves. Okay, I've always had long hair, and yeah, low-key I feel like I do a little bit more with short hair, but it's just not that much hair to do, so it's still minimal, you know what I mean? So yeah, I grew my hair out, I cut it back off, and then also, so you need some products. Okay, I have a cap, these little things that when you go to the barbershop they tie around your neck type of thing. Developer, not, you can use 10, but since my hair is black, I want this to be faster, because first of all, it's 10 something at night, I gotta go to work in the morning, and I got time to be waiting on her hair. I just don't get her done. Actually, I might even mix this to make 40, if that's possible. Gloves, mixing bowl, this is the powder, lightener to create the color that I'm trying to get to, which I'm thinking blonde. Or you gotta have the holy grail. If you want to do anything with blonde, sis, anything with gray, sis, what are you doing? Purple shampoo. Y'all, this don't hurt, and I'm really tender-headed. It actually feels good, because I'm a weirdo. But I'm really tender-headed though, for real, for real.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Alright, so the first batch is out. So what I'm gonna do
Hope you doing what you want.
is I'm going to
You want.
use a comb and break everything through. As you see, the color is taking. Let me add some more. I'm just kidding. Alright, get your comments. Oh, I'm not gonna open these because I just seen them before. I have one readily and available. Okay, y'all, just giving y'all a little update. This is what it looks like so far. Ramen. Of course, we're not going. Y'all like this color? I'm gonna leave it like this. Nice to me. Are we really? It's camera on. And we're live. Alright, y'all. Back to another update. Okay. We still got yellow hair. So I'm gonna rinse this out. And I'm gonna put the toner on. And you still gonna be watching. So stay tuned. You ain't gotta watch me wash my hair. It's too much. Y'all know what it looks like washing. People, keep on turning. Oh. Y'all like this color? Get into it. Get into it. Dennis Rodman. Dennis Rodman is in the house. Alright, I'm gonna stop playing. With y'all. Alright, let's put this toner on here because, girl, yellow is not my color. How you doing? Alright, so I got some advice from a friend. Miss Ronnie told me to put, since I don't have 20 developers, she said to add a little bit and then 10 so we can make 20. She said make sure I do the same, like, little measurement. Count. Okay. Ooh, still motherfucking yellow. Damn. I should have left that on a little longer. Jesus. Well, yeah. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Let's do this again. This ain't what I want. This ain't what I want. And I just can't see myself going to work like this. Because this ain't what I want. And this ain't what I want. It's definitely not what I wanted. So, let's see. Let me do it again. I just know it gotta be a method to the madness. What's the worst that can happen, right? Alright, so it's burning, so I'm taking this off, y'all. I don't even care what it looked like. I felt like the heat of the chemical splashed in my eye. Oof. Ooh, when you trap the heat in and you lift the thing up, you get a whole whiff. That's too much. It'll be back. Alright, y'all. It's looking darker, so I think I'm gonna rinse it off. Yeah, because I'm sleepy. It's 12 something. I got time for this. Yeah. I've been childish all night. I'm over it. I don't want to be childish no more. Alright, this is the last look of the night. Because after this, I don't even care. Okay. Damn. It definitely turned ash blonde. Just over it. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm about to deep condition my hair, and we're gonna style it. If the styling of it looks good, I'm gonna wear it tomorrow for work. If not, girl, yeah. Still a mess. That's all right though. We're gonna make it up for something. I guess we'll have a part 2 to this video. Because I'm tired. And I'm gonna see about the styling. But other than it, this is it. Alright, so I'm put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair, which is I'm going to use Batiste Sleek and Shine Intensive Smooth Leave-In Conditioner. I don't got that much hair, so I'm not gonna use that much. Plus, I mean, I guess it's a lot. But whatever. Put it all over. I rinsed out the deep conditioner. So, yeah. I'm gonna use this argan oil to slick down my hair, or try to. Use Echo Styling Gel, which is where's my scarf? All right, it's giving a oh wow. Gotta do what I gotta do. All right, so I'm just gonna part it because this is my go-to hairstyle. Sushi, don't start playing those bags. Stop. No. Hey, Sushi. I'm gonna need you to know your name. And if you do know it, I need you to answer it.